Minnesota's controversial first ever regulated wolf hunt returned to the forefront today in court. Arguments from both sides continue to be raised, but today's hearing focused more on procedures and regulations for future organized hunts. Hannah Tran has more.
Following Minnesota's first regulated wolf hunt, groups against the hunt took their arguments to court today.
That they had they did not meet the statutory requirement in law to use that process, that you have to prove that you cannot use a lower level of expediency.
The DNR says these arguments are legal rules that have always been used for setting hunting seasons for all animals.
The expedited rulemaking process which we used and which the plaintiffs disagree with is one that we've used for 20 years. It is one that the legislature authorized us to adopt.
Two groups howling for wolves and the Center of Biological Diversity say the DNR rushed into the hunt without public comment and did not take a proper assessment of wolf numbers.
Before it had completed the comprehensive population surveys that the wolf management plan requires.
But the DNR argues that the harvest levels set during the hunt are professionally researched. They say regulated hunts are needed to keep numbers stable.
And the harvest levels that's been set is very sound-based in looking at the numbers that we have for the number of wolves in Minnesota and the harvest rates that's there.
The population goal for wolves is around 1,600. Currently, there's around 3,000. This double-sided issue addresses both the conflict between wolves themselves as well as wolves and humans.
A wolf hunt is about breaking up packs randomly that may be functioning very well in the wild. And now you create a problem because wolves learn from each other. They have to live in packs.
However, the DNR believes that the disruption of wolf packs is inevitable.
We got to realize Mother Nature as a whole is always cruel. There's car accidents, there's disease, there's all kinds of things that go on that cause other parts of that, but I talked about the death rate.
But it can be said that ultimately both sides want wolves to thrive. Hannah Tran, Lakeland News.
DNR officials say the court's decision will affect hunting seasons for many animals, not just wolves. They say a ruling in favor of the plaintiffs could change how the agency conducts other hunting seasons.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.